because we are welcoming the Saturday Queen. Please welcome
Hi.
Akriti Kakkar, everybody. Hi, Akriti.
Just adjusting the frame so I can see you
Please take your
properly.
time. Please take your time. I'm so excited to see you and welcome to Mom's Magic Concert. You
Thank you.
are a debutant in the concert. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. I'm exceptionally happy to be a part of this one because I've done a lot of lives जब से ये lockdown हुआ है, just because I feel as a singer, it's our moral responsibility to keep the spirits high. I think that's a part of our job. When we sing, that's what we try to do. But abhi more than ever we need it. And this special live that we're doing today is by far, I think, the most thought through one because इसके पीछे जो इरादा है वो बहुत ही खास है, बहुत ही नेक है. And even as a whole team of Sunfeast Mom Magic, everybody is putting together the proceeds to a noble cause and trying to help a lot of people who are not probably getting the desired funds or the help that they require at this time. So I'm extremely honored that I can do my bit in this.
Thank you so much, and we appreciate your gesture as well. By the way, you look stunningly beautiful, like always.
So do you, absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well, we know for sure, Akriti, that you do have a husband by the name of Chirag Arora, who is
That's the right name.
Director. I got that. So can our viewers get to see Chirag as well? Can we have him quickly on board as well?
Can we please have you with us?
Hello.
Here's
By the way, hello Chirag. So good to see you. Well,
lovely to see you.
Sorry.
Sorry, you. I think there was a connection problem in between, so I couldn't hear whatever you said last.
No worries. How are you doing?
We are great. I mean, with God's blessing, we have, a house, and we're getting food every day. We're getting clean water. I mean, seeing so many people on the road and so many people walking down back to the villages, it's sometimes, this feeling of gratitude comes out.
Absolutely.
We should be thankful for what we have, and we are enjoying that. And
indeed. And Mom's Magic is doing a noble cause, a great cause, getting all the singers and people together to contribute in whatever best way they can.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Yes.
It's great.
And we're saluting your spirit too. And by the way, Punjab da Puttar hai Pind Jalandhar. So that's a line I picked up from Akriti's song. I need to ask you, आप कौन से शहर से हैं चिराग?
हम दोनों दिल्ली से हैं.
और हम मिले मुंबई में,
but हम दोनों पंजाबी हैं.
आहा, क्या बात है. So that's the origin of the Punjabi love, right?
Yes.
Super. So Chirag, it'll be great if you'll be with her throughout. I mean,
yes.
I'd love to see both of you together. Well, Akriti, on to you now. That of course we all know that you have two beautiful twin sisters by the name of Prakriti and Sukriti. They are amazing singers. You know that your mom is a sweetheart. Her name is Nirmal ji, right?
Yeah.
And your dad is Sanjeev Kakkar ji. So it looks like from your pictures and everything that you vibe around that you have a close-knit family. Let me ask you, who's the binding force behind that family?
I think both the parents, they've been the glue for whatever we've been able to do together. Chirag's parents stay in Delhi. So I think the responsibility of my parents here for the both of us also kind of increases more. So जब से lockdown announced हुआ है, I know for a fact that every time we in fact keep telling my father that आप please बाहर मत जाओ, आप be safe, and we'll go out because we know we are younger and we are hearing in the news that older people have a chance of catching the virus even more. So we've been telling पापा आप मत जाओ, हम ले आते नहीं, तुम दोनों कहीं नहीं जाओगे, कोई बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, कोई नीचे parking में भी. So the good thing fortunately is that we live in the same building, but it's a separate wing.
Okay.
So they're very, very close, and in God forbid if there is a moment that we need to sort of share with them or be there for them, we can. immediately.
That's
But
good.
हम उनको भी नहीं मिल रहे इस टाइम पे, तो
I
मम्मी
understand.
पापा दोनों का बस एक यही कंसर्न रहता है, तुम्हारे घर पे इनफ सामान है, सब कुछ ठीक है,
I
you know,
think
so
we are in the same
parents
boat.
being
Yeah.
parents, you know.
Yes, absolutely. And we mutually show care to each other, you know.
Yeah.
That's true.
So, yeah, but Akriti, like you said, your mom just almost lives next door. So, how's she like casting her mom's magic, you know, that mom's magic, despite not being physically present in the house? Is she like taking some extra care? What is she doing exactly?
So,
Yeah.
actually, to be honest, she hasn't been keeping well for the last couple of days. So, mom's magic though is on 24/7. You know, वो अपने बारे में always वो एक inherent quality होती है. The moment you become a mother, अपने बारे में ख्याल रखना जरूरी होता ही नहीं है. पहले फोन करके पता करो, is everything okay? नाश्ता कर लिया? अरे 12 बज गए, तुम लोग लेट क्यों उठ रहे हो? So that thing is still on, considering that she is unwell. So, you know,
Care
when
never stops.
it never stops. It's a 24/7 job. It's like a part of your job, and I feel like it's such a thankless thing to be a part of. You know, अगर उसे profession की तरह सोचा जाए, जैसे अगर मैं stage पे जाती हूँ या चिराग when he directs something and you know nobody says thank you to him or nobody बजाओ ताली, तो फिर मजा नहीं है ना. But being a mom, I think becomes one of the most thankless things sometimes. Like I quarrel with her, I fight with her, then I will go manao her, then I will, if she doesn't answer my phone, then I'll get all frantic, phone क्यों नहीं उठा रहे हो आप, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है, you know. So yeah, and then always the only one thing she comes back and says is जब तू माँ बनेगी ना तभी तुझे पता चलेगा.
That's
So, you know
that's
what?
So true. Yes.
But
Chirag.
you know, mom's magic is always there because Akriti and I, whenever we cook something, we always
Yeah.
call our mothers.
Yeah,
Yes.
all the
And
time.
And we
and
trust
they
them
are
way
the
more than YouTube, right? Any day.
exactly. You know, YouTube, you Google a recipe, but you know the
Right.
taste, the nostalgia you get from your mothers.
वो रेसिपी जो है वो कहाँ से मिलेगी? हम
वो
बचपन से तो वही खा रहे हैं ना.
उन्हीं से ही मिलेगी. So whenever we make something, which we are almost every day.
Yeah.
So we're getting the magic, the magic of the recipe from them. So
Yes.
you know, everything from making a rajma to making a pav bhaji to making whatever you
So
know
it
we're
was
making.
Kanjak a few days back,
Oh,
and
yes. I terribly
so
miss
Chirag
my mom.
called
That.
his mom. Yeah, I know. So Chirag called his mom, and early morning उन्होंने बताया, अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, हलवा और छोले. छोले में तुझे हलवा बता दी, तुझे फिर से बताना पड़ेगा. चल कोई बात नहीं, फिर से बता देती हूँ. So while the chole was being made,
Yeah.
the parents kept calling and saying, ठीक से बन गए, गल गए थे, मसाला ठीक से डाला था, जिगरा डाला था, ये क्या था?
Oh,
So you know, it's fun to see how excited they get to see us accomplishing small and big things. You know, it's their win. Be it us bagging big projects or making chole. You know,
True.
small and big
That
things.
is, we have just, that's why orchestrated these special 8 days, and of course ongoing from here to, you know, constantly maybe just take out time to thank them, you know.
Absolutely.
And that brings me to asking, of course, so in Akriti's home, it's care, it's a lot of recipes, that's the mom's magic. You can cast in your comments there and tell us what's the mom's magic all about in your homes. This is for all the viewers out there. And yes, how are you guys spending time together in a different way, you know? So I think everybody is asking you that, right? But
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसी चीज जो हमें ना पता हो. Yeah.
What have we been doing? Actually, you know, I'll be honest. Just before
Cooking
this
together?
lockdown,
Yeah.
cooking together, nahi. I have been
Cooking
cooking.
together
No,
nahi.
no.
Chirag,
I've
are
been
you
eating.
not-
I've been eating a lot of amazing food. So if I don't
She's
accept
a
that,
great
I will
cook
stop
as
getting
well.
it.
Yeah. Like
So-
mother, like daughter.
Yeah, actually, वो मेरी मम्मा का जो मैजिक है ना, उसका नंबर 1 पॉइंट है. अगर उनके घर पे कोई चले जाए, अगर उसके पेट में 1% भी जगह होगी ना, तो वो भी नहीं बचेगी. मतलब she will make sure that you are stuffed when you're leaving.
Wow.
Isn't that all the mothers? But maybe my mother can top that competition. She will make sure that you eat. मतलब अभी भी चिराग
makes her so hospitable. That's
हम
such a-
दोनों की माँ ऐसी ही हैं.
correct.
हम दोनों की माँ ऐसी हैं. Both of them are like big foodies, and both of them love you know, people to eat food. So they'll make sure they'll keep on putting food in your plate and make sure that you keep on eating it.
Very doting Punjabi mothers, both of you, right?
Absolutely. You know.
Super duper.
Yeah.
Right. I'm really happy like Chirag has joined us as well. Akriti, I know that your mom is also trained in Hindustani classical music. She's been
Absolutely.
a music
Absolutely.
teacher.
Yes.
So, were the seeds sown then? Did she inspire you to become a singer?
Absolutely. I think maybe this is something I can very proudly say I inherited it from her. And she's the reason why I sing. And
Yeah.
she ensured that kind of environment जिसकी वजह से घर पे हमेशा एक म्यूजिक का माहौल था. और अगर होता है कि अगर मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ तो मेरे घर पे म्यूजिक बजेगा. पर अगर मैं एक लेक्चरर हूँ तो probably there'll be books and I mean I will probably be a more avid reader. So it's because of her that I might have picked up this thing, and then she spent a lot of her time. She was a music teacher, so whatever time she used to get school से वापस आकर छोटे छोटे जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते थे दिल्ली में, आई एम बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन दिल्ली, वो था. सो वहाँ पर स्कूल के बाद होमवर्क खत्म करो, उसके बाद में होमवर्क के बाद में रीडिंग कमेंट्स ओके नो सो होमवर्क के बाद में इट यूज्ड टू बी मैंडेटरी कि 2-2.5 घंटे बैठ के जो गुरुजी से मैं सीख कर आई हूँ वो बैठ के रियाज करवाती थी. उसके बाद में डिनर बनाती थी, उसके बाद में खाना, फिर बैक पैकिंग. I mean, it was like a routine, and she was really the reason that I know all the songs that I know. I mean, parents ही introduce करते हैं ना हमको किस तरह का music सुनना है बचपन में, and that kind of becomes your foundation. So if I am a retro music lover today, or if I know of Kishori Amonkar Tai, or if I know of Parveen Sultana ji, or ghazals or bhajans or whatever those things are, I know it because of her.
That huge reservoir of knowledge. And
Absolutely, I know it because of her. She introduced all of that to me.
Wow, that's beautiful. And
she was also very particular about पढ़ाई. Very strict when it came to पढ़ाई कि कुछ भी हो जाए पढ़ाई पे sacrifice होना ही नहीं चाहिए. वो compromise हो ही नहीं सकता. जो मर्जी करो, how much ever you want to sing, you want to go play, sacrifice the play. But you come and sing. You have to, पढ़ाई करो, गाना गाओ, balance it out correctly.
Right. Chirag, was your mom like very disciplined and strict with you as well?
Not really. I was very notorious. I was very into sports from my childhood.
Is he notorious, Akriti?
Sorry?
Is he notorious now as well?
Of course.
Look at the expressions, everybody.
But ये अच्छा है because I'm very sane and I'm...
Okay. We'll have a separate...
Hey, one of my sisters is also online, Sukriti. I just saw. Hi, Sukriti.
Hello, huge love.
So, lot of friends. So, Sukriti, I saw Sukriti. I saw Uncle. I saw.
Hi, Uncle.
I saw Ame.
Hi, Ame. Oh my God, I miss everybody. I miss meeting everybody.
Yeah.
So, we're going to be talking on behalf of obviously our mother.
Yes.
And what she means to us. But it's definitely my father's also online. I think this is honestly the first time that my father's also
family. Hello everybody.
I think mom also must be there. Oh, okay. This would have been so much more fun, Shikha, if the whole family was together. But so be it,
in some way, I think so. That's
no, but we are together. Even on social media, we are somewhere together. I mean, she's blessing us from there. And we sing hi to her from here, so it's kind of we are together in a way.
We've been doing video calls, I mean, from literally 500 meters away.
Wow, it can't get more interesting, and I think people love and adore you guys so much as well. Look at the love that's coming to both of you.
We're really always very thankful to people because they give so much love to both of us.
Yes.
And so many blessings, which comes our way. It's always great to kind of see that people follow us for our work, people follow us for our food, for the masti we do.
Full credits to her.
Yeah.
And guys, quick message for both of your moms out there, after which we of course begin with something that everybody is awaiting out there. So quick message from both of you for your moms.
You want to go first?
I think
who are watching you guys live.
Yeah. So I think I can say it on behalf of both of us. Moms, I mean, they're just those kind of creatures जिनके बारे में जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि वो जो करते हैं. अभी I'm sure मैं आपको लिख के दे सकती हूँ. I can't watch my mother, but while I'm beginning to say this also, na, she must be all like all teary
I
eyed.
know. I get that. Yeah.
So yeah, so
That
I
emotional
think कि
bond
वो
that you share.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वो एक गाना मैंने लिखा था. It was called Amma, and I think that kind of really sums up what we should be saying to our mothers. They've spent nights and nights making sure कि हमारे स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट वर्क खत्म हो टाइम पे, और वो प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट भी आए, उसको फर्स्ट प्राइज भी मिले, हमारी नोटबुक्स अप टू डेट हों, और वो डायरी में कभी रिमार्क ना आए, एंड यू नो कि हम खाना जरूर खाएं चाहे हम दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में हों, हमारी तबीयत ठीक हो. एंड 9 out of 10 टाइम्स हाउएवर गलत ये सुनाई देता है, पर हाँ है, हम शायद नहीं पूछते अपनी माओं को उतना जितना हमें शायद पूछना चाहिए. बट देन दैट इज वेयर मम्मा ends up saying that one 100% 100 on 100 thing के बेटा जब तुम माँ बनोगे तब समझ आ जाएगा तुम्हें, तुम ऑटोमेटिकली ऐसा करना शुरू कर दोगे. So you know, for all that they do for us, thank you will be very small, because we will still end up fighting with them, we will still end up getting into an argument with them, and we will still make sure कि पूरे घर का एटमॉस्फेयर सिर्फ तभी ठीक होगा जब वो स्माइल करेंगी. You know, जो मर्जी कह लो.
I think our heart resides with them, and that's the mom's magic.
So they need to take care of.
That is saying triple copy बता दो.
Oh God.
Of us. So there was this
Fun
little
family
incident.
banter as well.
Yeah, तो मैं बहुत डरती थी, पता है, पढ़ाई के बारे में. जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं बहुत डरती थी. तो एक बार I was always like an A grader, but बीच में एक बार I think German नया सब्जेक्ट था ना, वो singing also at that time. So I think I got a D, and I got so scared that I hung my German वाला copy on a पेड़, and I just left it thinking वापस स्कूल के पेड़ पे
आकृति उसको छोड़ के आ गई, सोच रही कभी मिलेगी नहीं किसी को, ये कॉपी किसी को मिलेगी नहीं और मैं छोड़ के आ जाती हूँ. तो आकृति अपने एक ट्री के ऊपर, वो स्कूल के ट्री के ऊपर वो कॉपी छोड़ के आ गई. And bad luck.
Akriti can be that creative, you know.
And bad luck, वो कॉपी पकड़ी गई
और सीधा गई मम्मी के पास घर पे, because my teacher and my mom knew each other.
Like a missed heartbeat.
Exactly. So imagine मेरे साथ क्या हुआ होगा उस टाइम पे, बाप रे. So I mean, it's been like a countless. I mean, it's been a lifetime of incidents, you know, for both of us. I remember, I'll speak for him also, one quick incident which his mom tells me. He was so जिद्दी about मुझे कोई particular type के light वाले या कुछ skates चाहिए और नहीं मिल रहे थे. So he ended up showing throwing like a big anger fit, and I think you broke the
tail light of a car.
Of my father's car or something.
Of my father's car, and then I was punished after that.
I was punished, but फिर क्या हुआ? फिर मिल गए ना skates, क्योंकि मम्मी ने बोला बेटा मेरा skates तो दे दो.
I like.
So that is what mothers are, you know.
Camaraderie, yes.
डांट जितनी मर्जी पिट जाए, फिर बाद में प्यार तो फिर आ ही जाता है.
Molten butter, you know.
At the end of the day, yeah, they are so selfless.
That's true.
So, continuing with that spirit of mom's magic, everybody. हमारे episode 2 की guest है हर्षदीप कौर आकृति. And मुझे ये पता चला है.
और हमारी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त हैं.
That's what she's coming to, I think.
I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 11th and 12th standard in school हमने एक साथ किया था. And बहुत मजा आता था, because उसके पहले खाली मैं थी वहाँ पे स्कूल में गाना गाने के लिए. It was great because you know I was representing the Indian part of it, and she had learned piano, so you know she was doing a lot of Western songs जो कि हमारे स्कूल में पहले हुए नहीं थे. So वो और ये mix करके there was, अब now तो it was guaranteed कि अब हम दोनों मिलके सारे के सारे inter school competitions जीत ही लेंगे. So it was like that.
साथ में दिए हैं.
Absolutely, हमारी बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स होंगी जो हम क्वायर ग्रुप पे अच्छे बच्चों की तरह स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में खड़े हैं माइक के आगे.
You're still a good girl.
Oh, absolutely, very good girl.
And I'll talk about this little banter to Harshdeep as well tomorrow.
Yes.
तो हर्षदीप और मनकीत वो दोनों ही हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, and वो ऑलमोस्ट हमारे जैसे ही हैं, मस्ती करते रहते हैं, and उनका भी पूरा फैमिली सिस्टम बिल्कुल हमारे जैसा ही है.
Delhi people,
Punjabi,
very close knit,
घर का बिल्कुल अच्छा वाला खाना साथ में खाते हैं. So हमारी बहुत सारी फैमिली get togethers होती हैं, because our parents and their parents are very good friends. So इंटरेक्शन बहुत होती है हमारी उस तरीके से, बट हम मिल बहुत कम पाते हैं बिकॉज क्रेजी स्केड्यूल्स ऑफ एवरीवन. So we really miss meeting them. Yeah.
Yes, busy and talented people out there, both of you. So, okay, we are gonna dive into definitely very soon into the concert, the live in concert. But uske pehle, because I'm so fond of Akriti's songs, so here's the thing: Punjabi titli na pate easily. Chirag, that's for you to listen. Do it my way, varna highway. Tell me what's the philosophy at home. Kiski chalti hai is what I'm sure we all want to know. You know, the
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट आपने सही वर्ड बोला. डू इट माय वे अदर हाईवे. वो हाईवे नहीं होता, वो बालकनी होती है. एक्चुअली मेरे को बालकनी बंद कर देती है वो.
Right.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है. बट डू इट माय वे ही होता है
नहीं, because I'm just usually right, you know.
नहीं वो ठीक है, बट इवन खाने के अंदर भी जब आकृति बोलती है ये खाना है, तो मेरे को पता है कि मैं हाँ बोल देता हूँ बिकॉज आई नो कि वो बनाएगी तो बहुत अमेजिंग बनेगा, तो इसलिए मैं बोलता ही नहीं बोलती.
He's saying this because
back Akriti for that.
Thank you. He's saying
बहुत अच्छा
because
ट्रेन
I
करा
want to
मेरे को. इससे पहले भी बहुत अच्छा ट्रेन करा था. जो मैं बोलूंगी ऐसे हाँ नॉट करना, ऐसे करना.
Like some hygiene announcements at live in concert se pehle we'll, you know. So, what's to be in the dinner menu tonight is my last question to you guys.
I don't know actually. अभी फिलहाल बन जाएगा यार dinner lunch. अभी हमने बहुत late lunch किया है. We did zucchini noodles जिसको कहते हैं. We're trying to take
some healthy eating, and I think we're so excited to get on board for the Moms Magic concert. And
yes,
with that, इसी के साथ हम शुरू करते हैं episode 1 का कारवां everybody. और Twitter पे आकृति लिखती हैं that music is her way of life. She sings to spread happiness. तो आज हमारी मॉम्स को चेयर करने के लिए आकृति, आपके पास क्या है, क्या सुनाना चाहेंगे? एंड देयर सो मेनी रिक्वेस्ट दैट आर ऑलरेडी pouring in over to you.
I haven't been able to go through the comments, but
yeah, we talked so much.
Okay, yeah, anyway.
Everybody saying song please, some song.
Saturday everybody's saying. A lot of friends that I see, Vandana's here.
Amma as well, I think.
Sorry?
Amma song please sing for all the mothers. That's so
yes, okay, so I'll do a little bit of Amma. Tridha is here.
Yeah, hi Tridha. Tridha is a very very talented actor. I worked with her in one of my music videos. And okay, there are a lot of friends. Everyone saying hi.
Mama is sending me a lot of kisses back at you.
It's like a all moment. Oh, Rajneesh also says Amma. I think that's a beautiful note to begin with, Akriti.
Yeah.
Okay, done. नैन बिछाए बैठी पुरवैया, आई है तू धूप में छैया, लेके मुझे पनाहों में, ओढ़ेगी मुझको दुआओं में, मेरे परी मेरी अम्मा, दूध उठा के अपना बना ले चाहूं, मैं मांगू और क्या. दूध उठा के अपना बना ले चाहूं, मैं मांगू और क्या. मेरी अम्मा.
And Akriti, you've made all of us emotional. There's so much love that's pouring in. And, yeah.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll read out, a couple of more lines of this particular song. Maybe not sing it because I tried to write it on my own, and I think every kid would echo it for their mothers. उंगली पकड़ के तेरी चलना क्या उड़ना सीखा, अंबर मेरा अंगना बन के सिरहाना मेरा, जागी तो कितनी रहना भर के मन और नैना, एक निवाला और खिला के भूख खुद ही ऐसे मिटाती मेरी प्यारी अम्मा. दिन लोरी में जादू भर के सपना दिखाना तेरा, तू ही तो वो सपना झप्पी में ताकत भर के मंजिल तक लेकर चलना, थकना फिर भी ना कहना। मेरी हंसी की खिलकारी तू है, ख्वाबों की मेरे क्यारी तू है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मा।
Gosh, that's so hearty, and I think mom's magic को जितनी भी तरीके से हम define कर सकते हैं, शायद आपने उस हर एक चीज को इस song में लिया है, आकृति.
No, I'm just.
You're
It's a
so proud of
genuine
you. Your
piece
mom
of.
must be so proud of you as well.
I hope we can continue to do that. I hope we can continue to make them proud.
So this music video we did a couple of years ago with a lot of our friends from the industry, a lot of singer friends, a lot of
Everybody was
sharing their moments with their mothers.
He directed the video for
Wow.
us, and it was
Right.
very cute, very heartfelt. My
And what was
sisters
mom's
and me
reaction to this
also.
one?
Sorry,
Mom's reaction to this one?
Mom was in it.
She was a part of it. She was in it. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So both my sisters, Sukriti and Prakriti, and me together on a dining table on a regular scene in the house. जब हम मम्मा खाना खिला रही हैं और हम तीनों अपने phones पे लगे हुए हैं. So she is like pulling my ear, taking the phone from Prakriti, doing all of those things.
Yeah.
So it's a real scenario at home. And then she gets upset and we're like, okay, sorry, we'll eat. That was one of the moments. So very relatable and very real is what I thought was. So you guys must go and check it out.
I will definitely do this, and I think it's raining Saturday. So Akriti, I leave it up to you to decide the flow of our live in concert.
Sure. 24 घंटे fever तैनू चढ़े हाथ लभदा, रोज राती सोनी सोनी कुड़ियां नू लभदा. 24 घंटे fever तैनू चढ़े हाथ लभदा, रोज राती सोनी सोनी कुड़ियां नू लभदा. लखां ने अफेयर तेरे मोगी वाले ऐ सवेरे, शामी मेरे उत्ते कुंडे अड़दी रहदी है कुड़ी. सैटरडे करदी रहदी है कुड़ी. सैटरडे करदी रहदी है कुड़ी. सैटरडे करदी रहदी है कुड़ी. सैटरडे.
Wow, the most beautiful Saturday I think that we're enjoying. Yay!
घर पे बैठेंगे सब लोग, पार्टी करेंगे घर पे ही.
Yes, that's right. All right. और अब मैं चाहती हूँ आकृति आप दोनों मिलकर भी कुछ गाएं. हमारे पास फरमाइशें तो आ रही हैं, बहुत छार हो रही है फरमाइशों की, पर
आकृति गाएगी. मैं थोड़ा सा बीच में I've been doing my bit. I've been playing like a duff in between on the side.
Nice, I appreciate. Thank you. But she's told me that you're a good singer.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, definitely. Why not? Maybe something. Anything you sing, I'll
तो आप दोनों की जुगलबंदी की थोड़ी सी झलक अगर देखने को मिल जाए.
जगजीत साहब.
ठीक है.
Wow.
ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन,
जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन, नई रीत चला कर तुम मेरा
गीत
अमर कर दो, संगीत अमर कर दो, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ उम्मीद मेरी
गीत अमर कर दो.
That's a beautiful one from the Lovebirds there. Wow.
Thank you.
Akriti, इसके पहले, and thank you Chirag for joining of course in the singing bit as well. Akriti, इसके पहले की of course we'll go to इसकी उसकी, पर उसके पहले your latest rendition of the song Damadam Mast Kalandar, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So that's just hitting the numbers out there. Can we have a bit of Damadam as well? So
for sure. हाँ, Amey.music is so shuru se I think he's tuned in, and Amey is one of the finest engineers we have in the music industry, and we're so honored that he records me, and he records so many fine singers, and he's saying Chirag, thumbs up.
He is a good singer. We're all testifying to that, Chirag. Yeah.
Sorry?
We all testifying, confirming.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, yes.
So, I will sing Damadam Mast Kalandar ऐसे ही. हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झोले लालन, ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झोले लालन, सिंघड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अखी दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, ओ लाल मेरी चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा, चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा, पंजवा में बालन आया बला झूले लालन, ओ पंजवा में बालन आया बला झूले लालन, सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, ओ लाल मेरी, ओ लाल मेरी.
ओहो, बहुत ही बेहतरीन, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है. एंड Supratik Da is also online. Hello. Okay, beautiful voice. Yes, we
Hi,
all
Supratik
that. Okay, so guys, what's next?
What's next? आप इतनी देर से इसकी उसकी के डायलॉग्स बोल रहे हो, उसके लिरिक्स आप लिटरली कोट कर रहे हो. अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य ने वो कमाल के वर्ड्स लिखे हैं, तो वही हो जाए फिर.
क्या बात है. चलिए.
Any old song? बहुत सारे लोग वो भी बोल रहे हैं.
बोला पिया तो से.
हाँ, तो अंकुश भारद्वाज है कोई, उन्होंने बोला प्लीज सिंग एनी ओल्ड सॉन्ग आकृति मैम. ओके, तो वो भी करेंगे.
Akriti का first concert song when she was like a really small kid, that video is there on YouTube again, and Akriti is looking so cute, और उसमें वो ऐसे consciously बहुत कॉन्शियस होके गाना गा रही है, बट बहुत ही क्यूट लग रही है.
बहुत ही कॉन्शियस होके, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होकर.
So I think you should sing that. It'll be fun.
Okay.
It's eternally cute. Yeah.
Okay, so उस टाइम पे also वो milk teeth and पक्के वाले दांतों वाली सिचुएशन हो रही थी, तो मैं पिया तो से नैना लागे रे को पिया तो फे नैना लागे रे बोलती थी.
वाह, क्या बात है.
So I'll sing a couple of lines of that song for you.
हाँ जी.
पिया तो सी नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो सी नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे.
I'm sure you can see the emojis and hear my claps.
Yes.
Thank you. Such a lovely golden voice, I must say.
So sweet.
Beautiful. Yeah.
अभी मेरे ख्याल से अब थोड़ा मॉडर्न वाले गाने पे
इसकी पे आ जाते हैं. Yeah. Okay. Agni Vanshaj is saying रहना बीती जाए. कुछ फटाफट दो लाइन रिक्वेस्ट भी ले लेते ना सबकी.
Akriti, as you wish. It's your live in concert. All
okay. Vivek is saying I have seen Akriti concert in Kala Ghoda festival was amazing. Thank you.
Abhi from JISC too, from I think Ruchi and Shitanshu.
Yes,
as well.
yes. Divya is also saying Abhi from JISC too. So, okay, जैसे जैसे मैं पढ़ती जाऊंगी मैं वैसे वैसे गाती जाऊंगी. अभी अभी तो मिली हो, अभी ना करो छूटने की बात. शुभेंद्र मेहरमावे रांझनावे मेहरबावे ढोलनावे. डॉक्टर चारित दिस वन. लग जा गली की फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो. अगला गाना कोई बता दो. इसके पहले किसी ने क्या बोला था? अच्छा,
एक और रिक्वेस्ट आई.
बस रूमा दिस वंस फॉर यू. फसलें जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं है, बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं है. बाबा मैं तेरी मलका टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे. मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो. अच्छा, कहाँ गया है? मिस्ड वन सॉन्ग. निखिल स्टिल सेज आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दे.
पल जो ये जाने वाला है, हो आने जाने वाला है.
Then धारिणी says क्या जानू सजन होती है क्या गम की शाम, जल उठे सौ दिए जब लिया तेरा नाम. ओके, काफी सारे गाने गा दिए हमने.
वाह.
सुनैना, आपने बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना बोला है, तो सुनैना 2375 दिस वंस फॉर यू. चांदनी रातें चांदनी रातें चांदनी रातें चांदनी रातें, सब जग सोए हम जागे, तारों से करे बातें. चांदनी रातें हो चांदनी रातें.
वाह.
आई थिंक काफी सारे गाने हो गए.
यहाँ पर आई थिंक कबीर सिंह सॉन्ग.
कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ. एक्चुअली कैसे हुआ, कैसे इतना जरूरी हुआ घर के अंदर रहना. गाइज लेट्स नॉट डिविएट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट. ऑल्सो वी ऑल नीड टू स्टे होम. इट्स अ लॉकडाउन एंड वी नीड टू really adhere to what the government is saying. So please बाहर मत जाइए अगर बहुत जरूरी नहीं है तो. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज.
That's right.
Hey Morjo is here. Hello. Okay. अच्छा, अनुज बंसल, ताजी रिक्वेस्ट आई है एंड दिस वन गोज लाइक. हो महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे तो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है. किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है. इतनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया.
चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या
चन्ना
मेरे या बेलिया ओ पिया. चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे बेलिया.
Okay, I think we've done a lot of requests. This has been a fun session.
One song which I think our mothers are requesting from there and asking us to sing some Punjabi song.
Okay.
Definitely. And by the way, for all our viewers, Akriti is a multilingual singer, and we're getting a lot of requests from Marathi, Bengali, and everything. But of course, with whatever time we have in hand, any quick last-minute songs, guys, from your side?
I think your mom has just tuned in.
Yeah.
Finally.
Hi, mom.
Hello, auntie.
अब जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा तो सब फुर्सत से दोबारा देख लेना. ओके. अरे अदनान देवी ने कहा है मैम सतिंदर सरताज का गाना सुना दो.
वो तो माइंड ब्लोइंग
बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है.
Oh, he is.
मैं 2 लाइंस डेफिनेटली गाऊंगी. उसके बाद में दोनों मॉम्स की जो
that is also a Punjabi song.
वो भी पंजाबी है, but yeah, okay.
Somebody is saying, "Ma'am, your voice brought tears in my eyes." I think that's something
अरे
bad.
खुशी के आंसू है तो सब सही है यार.
Once again, hello to all the moms, the super moms watching us, and we are at the Live in Concert, the Moms Magic Concert, that's presented to you by Sunfeast and supported by Live India. And there you go, Akriti.
Akriti just finding the lyrics of the song, so within a few seconds you will be able to find it.
Sure, please.
Because ये बहुत ही प्यारी रिक्वेस्ट है. अब भी ये तो पंजाबी में निकला है. पंजाबी तो हमें पढ़नी आती नहीं है. Okay.
Really? Is that
Yes.
so? Okay.
तो अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी है सतिंदर सरताज जी के फैंस तो इस वन इज मेरी हीरे फकीरे नी सोनिए तेरी खुशबू नशीली मन मोनिए याद आवे जदों देखा जदों चंद में तू ही दिसे जदों अखां करा बंद मैनू लगे राधा तू ते लाल नंद मैं काश तैनू भी हो ऐदा पसंद मैं का तू नींद चो जगाया नी परोनिए तेरी खुशबू नशीले मन मोनिए.
Beautiful.
What a writer, what a music maker he is. Oof.
Truly. And how beautiful you are as a singer, Akriti, and
Yes,
likewise
thank
your
you.
work.
Thank you.
Respect. Yeah.
So a lot of requests still are coming in.
Okay.
Yeah.
A song dedicated to Shubha. I had written a song many years ago and composed it. तो वो मैंने बहुत पहले गा दिया एकदम शुरुआत में. So if you want to still check it out, it's a song called Amma. Look it up with my name on YouTube. आपको मिल जाएगा.
I think you should sing one of those folk songs which both our mothers love.
Okay. चलो. This you can play the duff with.
ठीक है. Done.
Here comes the instruction.
हाथ बताओ मेरा. दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ दिख रहा है.
You guys talk in Punjabi घर पर or it's
No.
We end up laughing when we both talk in Punjabi. Na, he speaks, I speak, we both end up laughing. At least I do more.
Okay. चलिए सुनते हैं ये नगमा आपसे.
मधानिया मेरे डाडिया रबा कि न जमुना कि नानी ले जानिया हाय मेरे डाडिया रबा कि न जमुना कि नानी ले जानिया कुंडा लग गया थाली को, कुंडा लग गया थाली को, हथा ते मेहंदी लग गई एक किस्मत वाली नू, हथा ते मेहंदी लग गई एक किस्मत वाली नू, मेहंदी लगती सुहागना नूने अमर दे चिराग तक लेंदी है, ओ लगती सुहागना नूने अमर दे चिराग तक लेंदी
Absolutely, both of you. It's such a heartful rendition. Wow, loving it completely. And
Just to
Thank you.
clarify, we don't do this at home. Huh? We don't practice this at home. This is this is just impromptu.
Oh, I see. But then I'm sure you're making all those moms so happy. And
We hope. We
So,
really hope.
that's
We
okay.
really hope. जितने भी यहाँ पे लोग हैं वो
And then somebody here, Nikhil, says that this is the best live session I've ever seen. Ma'am, you made
wow.
my fantastic.
Wow.
Thank you,
A
Nikhil.
lot of moms are joining us, and that's beautiful. I'm sure you can watch this story for the next 24 hours as well. And can we like wrap up the live concert with iski? I can't
बिल्कुल
even. I
बिल्कुल
can't even
बिल्कुल
guess.
बिल्कुल Sharda Bhavi is online. Bodhi, I call her.
Your
She
family?
is an incredible. She's like my bhabi. She's more than a bhabi to me. And thank you for you tuned in now. इनको भी हम virtually ही मिल रहे हैं, अब सबको virtually ही मिलेंगे जब तक ये lockdown हटेगा नहीं.
Even
Somebody
my
says
bhabhi
here,
is
my mom is a
tuned
big
in from
fan.
Australia.
Oh,
So
yeah.
Monica bhabhi is tuned in from Australia.
Hi. इसी बहाने we are catching up with a lot of people. This is so cool.
Mutually,
Okay.
likewise. We are so happy. Okay.
Yes, okay, so we are going to be अभी हम जो गाना गाने वाले Tina Sharma has just requested for that. तो चलो let's. Hi Sushil Shamla, Sushil.shamla.vadva is also with us.
That's one thing that is no.
Okay. Alright, let's do this.
Yeah.
So this one's composed by Shankar Ehsaan Loy. फिल्म का नाम है Two States और lyrics लिखे हैं अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य ने और this is how the song goes.
Okay.
हो तूती पंजाबी तेरी यूं ना बजा मुंडिया बादों में वजन कितना तेरे कहीं बता मुंडिया ओ बादों में वजन कितना तेरे कहीं बता मुंडिया do it my way नहीं ते highway फरक यारों की पैदा इसकी उसकी कौन किसकी यारा ईमान इसकी इसको पसंद हो तो और बढ़िया
Pretty face देखे
उसे मामला जाने हो तो और बढ़िया
Wow. You guys have more than cheered up our moms today. Who
We
take
really
care of
hope,
us.
we really hope. We really hope all the moms sitting out there, if your children are with you,
or they are away.
or they're away, even more so, I'm sure आप लोग please जितना बाकियों का ख्याल रख रहे हैं, please अपना भी ख्याल रखिए. And इस तरह से मतलब it's impossible कि अगर हम बोल दें कि आप पहले अपने को प्रायोरिटी दें और बाकियों को बाद में दें तो वो तो होने वाला नहीं है क्योंकि वो मॉम्स मैजिक का नंबर 1 पॉइंट होता है. सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ obviously everybody in the home because you're like the spine, you're the backbone of the household, be it our mothers, be it all the mothers who are tuned in and everybody. अगर आप मॉम नहीं हो, अगर आप डैड हो या भाई हो या बच्चे हो तो प्लीज अपनी मॉम को थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट दे दो यार, दे दो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट दे दो, you know. So yeah, that's what.
And
we want to
again,
say.
we would like to thank Mom's Magic for doing this and bringing
Likewise.
all the singers, everyone together and doing a great gesture, and giving a certain amount in a way to the people who are in need.
Yeah.
And people who are watching this, and people who are who will watch this, just try to help out in whatever way you can. चाहे आप घर में अपने घर वालों की मदद करें, या आप किसी तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, या आप किसी अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को cheer up कर सकते हैं, because a lot of people are getting depressed in today's time.
Yeah.
Just call up a phone on your family, on your friends, on your elderly people. Just ask them, because थोड़ा सा किसी को शायद पूछने से, बात करने से ही थोड़ी खुशी हम बांट सकते हैं. So that's what we can do.
Also, one very, it seems like a very tiny point, but I really like to say, the staff that we have at home, there are some, fortunate people who have the capacity to employ staff. तो जो भी हमारे घर पे आते हैं नॉर्मली हमारे घर का ख्याल रखने के लिए, हमारा ख्याल रखने के लिए, अभी वो नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, पर प्लीज उनकी जो सैलरी है, चाहे वो काम पर अभी है या नहीं है, आप प्लीज उनकी सैलरी मत काटिए. Please, just give them their full pay. It's a very, very small thing, super duper small thing. आप ऐसे भी तो देते हैं ना. So, it'll help them run a living, and that too with a smile. So, please do that.
I think that's
We'll also be moms now of some children somewhere.
Yes, absolutely. I think that's such a beautiful gesture that way. And the final thing to both of you, Akriti, what do you think would be your mom's magic mantra to all the moms who are just watching us live, today's moms? What do you think she would say to them?
I think
that one mantra.
What is mama going to say? What is mama will say कि entertain रखो सबको घर पे, और अच्छा खाना बना के सबको खिलाते रहो. But I think जो मेरी मम्मा अब कहेंगी, after all of these years, she will also say, please take care of yourself also, and don't forget yourself in this whole thing of taking care of the family. And if my mother doesn't say it, I will make her say it, because that's what I really want all the mothers to do. I want them to take care of themselves also.
Absolutely. I think in a way she would also say that stay strong, moms. Right?
Bilkul, absolutely. Please stay strong, because then we will be strong.
Yes, and with that, a big thank you to both of you.
Thank you.
Lovely souls. Thank you very much for joining us at Mom's Magic Concert. God bless you both. Keep that love alive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody, all our viewers, to both of you. And with that, I'm going to say to all our viewers that I'm going to see all of you tomorrow at the same time, 6 p.m. Our Insta handle is